Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to display mirror an iPhone or an Android device on your Fire TV or Fire Stick. So what you want to do is go on over to Settings, going down to where it says Display and Sound under here. Now you have to decide, do I have an iPhone or an Android device? If you have an iPhone, you need to go to where it says Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Then, if you have an Android device, you need to go to Enable Display Mirroring. And when you go to this with your Android device, it's going to bring up this screen. And once you get to this screen, you can go to your phone now, and then you can go to display mirroring or some sort of option under settings. Could be called it could be called like Smart View on your Samsung device, but I'll show you how to kind of do it on your iPhone. So you need to make sure you're under that display mirror screen or it will not work and pop up. Then you need to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. So if you're an iPhone user, let's go to AirPlay right here. Now, once we're under this screen, just kind of like it was under display mirroring, we want to go to our phone. So let's go over to our settings now. So to get to the control centers, we want to swipe down from the top. So this is the same thing on your Android device. You need to swipe down from the top. And then you should see some option called display mirroring. It could be something different, but you need to go to Wi-Fi too. Make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you're not connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it's not going to show up. So you can see Scump on here, and Scump is on my Fire TV as well. Then I can go to the open space here and go back. And then here's my display mirroring. Could be something different on your Android device, but it's going to be like Cast, Mirror, or Smart View or something like that. Then we can select this, and then there's my Fire TV. We can just select this, and then boom, my phone is now on my TV. So very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.